Your goal is simple. Write the name of the fish, and don't just put, I saw a fish. Like, marlin is a clownfish. Dory is a... Pretty sure the technical name is a blue tang.
Yellowfin blue tang, something like that.
Yeah, we can actually look them up as we go if you want. Or, you know, Rebecca's Chromebook is right there. Rebecca could look them up as we go.
Great. I'm going to have a weird...
And you can literally Google search what kind of fish is Dory from Finding Nemo, and that will pull up the title, okay? So you're going to pull that up. You all are going to do that. And then when you finish your video, they're going to do a virtual lab for physics. Okay?
Okay.
So you have fish in one column, not a fish in the other column. And if you want later, like after lunch, and you want to just keep doing school stuff, we could do Finding Dory, or...
A documentary?
We could do a documentary, something like that. Okay, put your Chromebook right here. No, open it towards you. You ready for this?
Sure.
I need you to Google the words super absorbent polymers.
Oh, what? Super
Absorbent. A-B. S-O. R-B.
Hon.
Polymers.
Alright. What?
Your research assignment for this is to look up superabsorbent polymers, see what they are, and then describe them in your own words and what they do. Go to click on images. Go back. Right here.
So they're like gel beads.
Yeah, they're jelly beads. But the definition is super absorbent polymer.
So, would that make boba like that?
I don't know. Why don't you include that part of your research today? If you don't want to see a science experiment using feminine products, skip ahead to the time I'll put on the screen right here. If you do and want to see how it ties into our physics lesson, keep watching. So what is it that's in these?
Super absorbent polyester, something like that.
Yeah, I can't pronounce it either. So we're going to try it out with, this is a size 2, right? It says 2 on it. And that's the radiance, not the blue. What are the blue ones called? The flexibles?
They're just super flexible ones.
Yeah, these are called the radiance. And then these are the size 4s that are meant to be for at night. The goal is to see, do they hold the same amount? Hypothetically,
They should.
they should or shouldn't. This one is a
Size 2.
day and that one's a nighttime one. So just carefully, you're not taking it off of the plastic piece, okay? The other experiment you can do with this is that you're supposed to, you can take that out and then fold the wings out. Except now your wings won't probably stick to the wrapper. You can also, wait, we're not pouring water yet. She's not ready. You can also use this with diapers. What was the other things that said you could use? Diapers.
Band-Aids.
So another one that's a camping hack. Ready for this camping hack? You can double up on grocery bags or garbage bags. Dump a diaper into them, like cut one open and dump it in. And then put it over a bucket if you lose water and need to be able to have a toilet. It'll absorb everything. So it's actually a camping hack. And the bags that we buy for our portable toilet for camping, that's what's in them. You can also add like baking soda for the smell. That is a big bird that just flew over our head and is in the tree up there.
Well, the squirrels are taking over
Let's
the
hope
yard.
it doesn't eat you.
Okay. One at a time. Pour slow. Now, technically these are not meant to absorb like a lot of, don't bounce the table, water, okay? But the goal is to see how much of it will absorb. I don't think it's absorbing anymore.
It is. There's like a distinct gray line going on.
Don't pour anymore until there's no standing water on it.
Oh!
Now, why is this a physics thing?
Because, oh, it could be like color absorption. Like how certain objects will absorb certain amounts of color. Black absorbs a lot of color, so it heats up really fast. Actually, no wait, black rejects the color and then the vibrations of whatever, you know what I mean.
That's experiment for later.
What is...
Your turn. You have pockets.
She does.
Slow, slow, slow. That was not slow.
It's pouring fast.
Don't lean on the table. Hold on. There's still a puddle on it. On the wing. Try to lift that wing up a little bit. Alright, on the back. Slowly.
I can't tell if it's giving up.
That's standing water, so wait. Does yours still have standing water on it? No, don't touch. Just does it have standing water on it?
No.
Alright.
Mine's gone.
Alright, wait. Go. Slowly. Make sure you pour in places that look like it doesn't have water. Yours is dripping. Alright, put the bottles side by side. The other way. So whose has less in it?
Lizzie's. But only barely.
So is it just because the brand tells us that one absorbs more than the other, or is there something scientific about it?
Well, that one's thicker. This one's thinner.
So the thicker probably means that it has more.
The thingy with Jiggy.
Jelly beans.
SAP.
Jelly beans.
Not beans, beads.
Beans.
SAP.
SAP.
That's what we just started calling it.
I like jelly beans more.
It's faster.
So, kind of a midweek progress. These are the two that I actually did last night. I didn't show them last night because I was so tired that I ended up just, as soon as I could, I went to bed. Like, I even left laundry on the other half of my bed to fold tonight. So, I'm going to fold that while the kids work on dishes. We kind of traded off tonight. They've been doing dinner every night, but then tonight I did dinner, and now they're going to do dishes so I can work on laundry. And to give my hands a break because they started breaking out. So, these are the two I did last night. These are the three I did this morning while the kids were watching Finding Nemo for science. And now I have officially finished all the rows. And then the last house trip that I went to, again, I didn't bring you guys because somebody else's house, never filmed that before. And they lived in a more, like, close-knit neighborhood. If I would have filmed anything outside, you would have known where they lived. But finished all the green ones when I was at their house. These are all the pinks that I finished this trip. So I'm really excited because I'm closer to being done. So the problem was the person who gave me these, they only bought one. It's like this, you can see the pattern, this color, the ecru, the off-white, was what these were supposed to be. So instead of buying the ecru, which is also the border color, they only bought one of those, and then they bought all these variegated, which is fine. The variegated look lovely together with the rest of them. But now I don't have enough ecru to do, like I did all of the greens the last time we house sat, but like that little ball, that little skein right there, that's all that's left of the ecru. So I'm going to have to go and match that at a store somewhere to finish this. But I'm excited that I'm already, oh, and at the other house I had started, there's 7 right there. And now I'm on these. So I'm really excited about the possibility of like finishing this before I leave. And possibly maybe just trying to get out once Matt gets here Saturday night. Maybe we'll all sneak away for a while and go to a craft store. And I can go and look for yarn that will match. So that I can actually start piecing this together and getting it finished up. But yeah, like I said, while the kids working on dishes, I'm going to knock out this laundry real quick. And then we're going to head to bed for the night.